Finally, let's view this. Alright, AI3016, alarm age August 2033, 3 years and 14. Oh my god! Okay, dust contamination, mains power of 5 and everything. Holy crap! Okay, test button activations 56 because I got a video from RW Security and Technologies. Mains power off, alarm for 294 days. What the heck? Sensor stats is okay. Dust contamination is 10. Okay. Alarm times removed 6. That's okay. Alarms for smoke. Yeah, of course. And the events for low battery and everything. Oh my god. Okay. Well, we're going to do another audio link test. Audio link plus. I don't know because I didn't film the thing. So we will keep the same thing on here, and let's do download data. Download success. Yes, okay. Right. It's the same thing. Alarm times removed 6. Same thing again. Oh well.